it's me, Live with KB.
And y'all know what's good. Like, y'all know what's good. Do I even need to? Do I need to tell you what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell y'all anyways. I'm doing a 19 facts about me video.
Why 19 facts? Because your girl is 19. She old as hell. She 19. She old as hell. She ain't 18 no more. Got my snacks with me right now. The good goods, you know what I'm saying? We just finished eating like 5 minutes ago, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care. Fact number 1. If you don't know, I have 5 brothers and sisters. 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Sorry. I'm an only child, guys. Fact number 2. I was born in South Auckland, New Zealand. On the year 1999. It's your girl. 1999.
Fact number 3.
In 2016, me and my mum moved to Melbourne, Australia for the good goods, the good money, the good education, the good opportunity, if you know what I mean. Plus New Zealand is so expensive, by the way. So good luck to my Usos out there suffering in New Zealand. Fact number 4. Yeah, I've been to 4 different high schools in the 5-year high school span. So the first high school I went to once I finished intermediate was Massey High School in West Auckland. I only went there for like under a month. And then, so I went to Otahuhu College in Otahuhu for about 3.5 years. That was personally my favorite high school. And then when I moved to Melbourne in 2016, the first high school I went to was Epping Secondary High School. I went there for like under a month. I didn't really like the school there because it was my first time moving to I was going to a school here. I didn't like how snobby the people were. That's the thing. I noticed that when you move to Melbourne, I don't know if it's anywhere else in Australia. When you move to Melbourne, I reckon the islanders here are really snobby. Like the islanders that have been here for a long time, they seem like really standoffish and stuff. So I left that school. This is when I moved to Mount Ridley College, which is where I finished off my high schooling years for just under 2 months. Oh, 2 months. What? What, bro? No, so I went to Mount Ridley College for about just almost 2 years.
Fact number 5.
I have not met my dad. I have seen a photo of him. Yeah, I've only seen a photo of my dad. I saw that he had can't even speak English right now. He had an afro. But yeah. Fact number 6. In 2010, when I was in primary? Yeah, basically primary. So one day, me and my friend Angel were climbing the tree in front of my house, and I don't know, it was my first time lying down on an actual branch on a tree. I was like, oh, let me try it because I'm so cool, my friends are here, get the camera ready, want my autograph, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of attitude that I had when I was gonna lie down on the tree. Like, I thought I would bomb. So yeah, I went to lie down on the tree. I was a little bit shaky. I was like, somebody save me. But yeah, it was pretty scary for the first time. So I lay down on the tree, and then all of a sudden I needed to do a number 2. Like, I was just like, damn it, I'm trying to show off here, man. Come on, stop killing my butt. And my friend Angel's just standing on the tree, and I get up to go toilet, but I sort of lost my balance. I close my eyes and I look at her, and I'm just like, oh, bye, Angel. It was just the weirdest thing. I don't know why I said bye, Angel, when I was gonna come back and hang out with her. So I said bye, Angel. I closed my eyes and I woke up, and my uncle or my mum was carrying me to the car, and I looked at my leg, and my leg was like bent from the thigh. Like when I say bent from the thigh, like this is my thigh, right? This is the knee, this is where your knee bends, but my thigh, my leg literally bent from my thigh area. So I had fallen off the tree and I'd broken my femur, which is my thigh bone. Oh, I'll show you guys the scars. So I have one scar here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So how I got these scars instead of like right on my thigh bone, so they had to put like steel rods in my legs to sort of help straighten my bone and into place again and sort of heal, like so it can heal. So yeah, fact number 7, I have a scar on my face. If you guys didn't know, I have this little scar here from when I was, maybe before I started primary. My mum said before I started primary, my grandpa used to always cut wood for our fireplace with a machete in our sitting room, and I think one day he just left the machete, like, you know how you just leave it on the side to lean against the wall or something. But my mum said she came into the sitting room and I just put the machete down, and she turned me around and I cut myself with the machete. I was one of those curious kung fu kids, if you know what I'm saying. Fact number 8. Yeah, fact number 8. I taught myself how to write with my left hand. Yep, I'm sure y'all don't believe me. Let me get a pen for y'all. So let me write my name with my right hand. That's my name, by the way, Caitlin. Psych, I can't really write with my left hand. Fact number 9. My mum dropped me at 2 days old.
Before my mum actually, gave birth to me, she said she was always scared, because she used to watch these movies, scary movies about babies being taken, and this one particular movie that really stood out to her was The Hand That Rocks the Cradle. I think that's what she said it was called.
Fact number 10. I've only ever participated in 3 sports competitions. Is it inter-school sports competitions? I don't know what they're called. I don't even know any sports like reference words or whatever thing is there. So I only ever played soccer. I did softball. I wasn't really good at it. I just went and got black for nothing. And then the next one was here in Australia. I did volley and I also sucked at that. But mind you, our whole team sucked. So yeah, we were just not born for it. Fact 11. So for fact 11, my favorite color is either red, amber or blue. I don't know. Blue just popped in my mind right now. Or green. Looking outside at the trees. Yeah, one of those colors. So fact number 12. I wear my heart on my sleeve, to be honest. I can cry at anything. Watching a movie, seeing something in public that's really heartwarming, someone says like a little thing, I don't know, and I'm like, my mind really generates it and makes it into a big thing sometimes. 13. Honestly, I don't like to rely on others, whether it's a ride, like say I'm finishing work and someone asks if I want to ride. I don't like taking, some say it's disrespectful, I understand that, but to be honest, it's, for me personally, I just don't like feeling like I'm burdening others, like, you know what I mean? Because I know that they're probably thinking like, oh, what about, I'll give them a ride now, but they're gonna probably expect it, like, always, like, you know what I'm saying? Like whether it's money wise or anything, I don't want to rely on others. Number 14. So for fact number 14, I don't know how to drive. I am 19 and I don't know how to drive. Like, I have a fair idea. My mom's taken me on driving things, like taught me how to drive for a bit, like, but it's only been with manual, so it's sort of like a bit harder to learn. 15. Okay, don't be mad at me. I'm sure you're gonna think,
What the hell is wrong with this girl? Like, is she alright? Like, what's wrong? Like, is she even human?
I hate not wearing socks. Like, I cannot not wear socks, like, you know what I mean? Like, even on the hottest days and hottest nights, I have to wear socks. Like, I don't like walking around bare feet. Like, I don't know what it is. So fact number 16, I've been in a long distance relationship, yeah, with a guy that was pretty close to me, I guess. We were really close from OC, and we started going out when I moved to Melbourne, and later on he moved to Brisbane. So we're doing like a long distance relationship. I reckon was pretty good. Like there's not so much expectations on a long distance relationship. Like some people can't do long distance because, like, you know, it doesn't work out, but for us it worked out. So we did long distance for a year and a half. No, basically almost 2 years. So yeah, my mom didn't know about the relationship till like a week later after we started going out, because we were always close. I was always talking about how close we were, how good of a friend he is. Yeah, and my mom thought we were going out then, but we weren't. We were just like really close friends. Then yeah, a week after we actually started, like after we made it official, my mom asked me, like she literally asked me, she was like, are you guys going out? And I said no. Like I was so scared, like, you know, those rebel kids that just don't listen to their parents. Listen to your parents, kids. I didn't regret it, but it's like, it sort of kills your insides, you know, kills your innocence, you know what I'm saying? And then she asked me again, because she knew damn well I was lying, and she asked again, she was like, are you guys together? And if you lie to me, you're gonna get it. So even if I said no again, she would have given me a hiding, and if that was the truth, she still would have given me a hiding. So yeah, and then I said yes the second time she asked me, and she was really disappointed, to be honest. Like she really wanted me to focus on college, you know, being my last few years, and you know, knowing that there's plenty of time after school to find, like, you know, boyfriend or whatever. And that's so true. I wish I listened to my mom, but you know, it's things that you have to sort of experience yourself, like, you know, to learn, to understand what your parents are, you know, saying. Kids, listen to your parents, to be totally honest. Just focus on school while you can. If school's not for you, I totally understand it, but boyfriends and girlfriends should be the last things on your mind. Yeah, it's 17. I don't get sick at all, to be honest, besides like your average chicken pox when you're younger. I get running nose every now and then, but I don't consider that as being sick. It's just like it's not like I'm dying from it or anything. Fact number 18. We're almost there, guys. Fact number 18. I'm usually a conflict avoider. I don't like confrontation. I don't like to deal with people's drama. I don't like being involved in people's drama, especially if they're people that I don't know. Or people that I know are talking about people that I don't know, and I just don't really like being dragged into that drama, or my opinion on a person don't know mattering, like, you know what I'm saying? Like if it's your drama, just let it be your drama. Like I'll listen and I'll add my like fake opinion, like, oh, why did she do that? But in reality, I really don't care. Especially if it's like over a dumb thing, to be honest, like, oh, why is she looking at my boyfriend? Or why is she touching my food? Like, you know, stuff like that. I just hate it. Like, hate it. If it's about boys, if it's about dumb things, I just don't want to hear it, to be honest. In fact number 19, I am, if you didn't already know by the videos where I'm constantly going like this, yeah, I have like some weird addiction of going like this with my hands, but I am double jointed. Everyone has their weird thing, you know, that they're addicted to, their fetishes or whatever, but mine, I'm double jointed. So I got a hitchhiker's thumb and I'm double jointed, not to the max or to the point where, like, you know, this touches my back, but I can, you know, extend to a certain point compared to others. Yeah, I can basically really push it like a candy cane, like, you know, just hang my finger on your tree if you want. Yeah, so like when I click my fingers, I click it like this. Usually it clicks, but I think I've already clicked. Oh, clicked. I can do this. Don't do this, by the way, guys. It makes your fingers look musty as hell. Like, ew. But yeah, don't do this, guys. See, look how it's made my thing. Yeah, don't do this at all. It's gonna ruin your beautiful fingers, guys. I didn't know that when I was younger. I learned it the really hard way. So now now my fingers are messed up. I hope you guys enjoyed this 19 facts about me video. There's a lot more to know about me, but I just can't think of anything interesting about myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're back again to watch my videos and you're already subscribed, I want to thank you guys for the loving and endless support you guys give me. And for those of you that are new here, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment if you want. Yeah, leave any suggestions or whatever. Yeah, thank you guys and see you in the next video. Bye, Scalimer.